Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Is it on?
Yep. Rolling.
Rolling? Recording?
Roll that beautiful bean footage.
Roll that beautiful bean footage. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel again. GearTube TV coming at you with the third part of our YJ upgrades here. Upgrades, accessories, whatever you want to call it. Obviously this one is the new rock hard 4x4. New to us, rock hard 4x4 rack. We installed here onto our rock hard 4x4 bumper and tire carrier. And really easy modification to the Jeep. I say modification, but it's really just a bolt-on accessory. And if you watch the video, you can see us assemble this, put it on. Really simple, really easy, very versatile, very sturdy, very sturdy. Again, this is from Rock Hard 4x4.
Made in America.
It is made in the USA, as their box tells you. They do not outsource anything for their parts. They have in-house welders and 100% made in the USA. So Rock Hard 4x4, they put out some really good quality stuff, and really glad to have it. So check out the video, guys. We're going to do a little bit of install here on this. Hope you like it. Again, hit that subscribe button and join us for some more adventures, and we'll catch you at the end of the movie. End of the movie. And what is this? Is this a movie or what? What are we doing?
That could be a short story.
It could be a short story. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, let's get right into unboxing this Rock Hard 4x4 rack. As you can see, everything comes very well wrapped, protected with bubble wrap and various sheets to separate the metal from rubbing against each other. They send a catalog with some of their other products. Obviously, as you remember, I have the bumper as well as the tire carrier, and then also an instruction sheet. And the hardware comes in a little baggie as well. You just separate everything before you finish. Now the rack itself, obviously again wrapped in bubble wrap, has a little bit of weight to it. I couldn't really give you an estimate on what it weighs. Just a little awkward to get it out of the box, so just be careful with what you're doing. You don't want to damage any of that powder coating because everything looks really nice coming from Rock Hard 4x4. The support arms that hold the basket up can be mounted amongst a series of holes. You can kind of sort of see there, and how wide or how narrow you have those support arms will determine how high the basket sits above the spare tire. It's a really simple install process. You put a bolt through the basket into the arm, and then you have nylock nuts that go inside of the tubing. It's a little awkward to get to. You need an open-ended wrench. A ratcheting wrench would work too, and then just I believe it's a hex key or an Allen wrench that you use to tighten the bolt to the nut. Obviously you don't got much wiggle room to use the wrench to do the tightening. You have one side installed. You want to try to install the other one on the same hole that you used to try to get that equal distance. Again, what I did was just sort of held it up over the spare tire and kind of picked which one I thought would work best, and I think it turned out really nice here, which you'll see shortly. So again, you just line it up, put the bolt through, put your nylock nut on there. I believe it also has a washer as well. And then
2,000 years later.
I don't see how I'm going to do this. I can't get the U-bolt through the plate. You can come over and look at it. I got it. I can't get the U-bolt through the plate.
Looks like it's kind of twisted.
No, it's because of the tire. Look, the tire is pushing the top part of the rack backwards.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
That's what I was talking about.
Oh, what about it? Inflate the tire a little bit.
No, I have to move the tire outward. If you look back here, see those?
Yeah.
I can slide
Oh,
the
you can
tire
go one
away
more.
from the body.
Just have to take, oh, I gotta take this everything off. This tire off.
Yep.
Well. Then we gotta lift the
So what we discovered through the first test fit was that the spare tire carrier from Rock Hard 4x4 is adjustable to the wheel offset. So I have my wheel mounting plate all the way back as far as it'll go against the tire carrier. What that did was prevented me from being able to put the U-bolts through the bracket arms, the basket arms, I'm sorry, to attach the basket to the tire carrier. So what we had to do was remove the mounting plate for the spare tire and slide it outwards. Really simple process. Not much to it, just a couple bolts. And once that was adjusted, just put the spare tire back on. And as you can see, the basket's already there. So the rack is already there. And we just, spare tire slid right underneath it. Obviously we want it to be as level as possible, so we got the level out and lined everything up as good as we can. I think it just makes for a nicer install when everything's good and straight. Perfect. And there you have it. That's what it looks like from the back side. You can see it's just 4 U-bolts. It mounts right to the tire carrier. And again, it does add some weight. So if you don't have the frame tie-ins from Rock Hard 4x4, you might want to consider getting those. What that does is adds extra support for the weight of the tire, and now we've added this rack as well. Excellent build quality, excellent customer service from Rock Hard 4x4. I talked with Mr. Barth. He's the president of Rock Hard 4x4. I met him at a Jeep show. Really down-to-earth guy from the Midwest. Really nice to talk to. And they put out great product. So that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, follow along. Give us a like, give us a share, and check out those links below, guys. We'll catch you at the next video.
Best man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.